In Thailand, limes are used exclusively as an ingredient rather than lemons. They grow easily in the tropical climate and the fruit has multiple uses. Kaffir limes are distinctively recognisable with their bumpy textured outer skin. The zest of the peel is often added to curry pastes and the fruit are sometimes thrown in whole to dishes such as tom yam. Of course, we have already mentioned coconut milk and cream. The flesh of a coconut is grated and boiled with water and strained through a cloth under pressure to produce the milk and cream so synonymous with southern Thai curries. And finally, it is customary to serve fresh fruit after a meal, and in Thailand there are many wonderful and exotic fruits to enjoy. Delicious produce to tempt already satisfied diners include such treats as large ripe papaya, the sweet and tangy mangosteen, fleshy but sweet rambutans, and many tropical delights common to that part of the world. Indigenous to India, the mango is appreciated for its juice, flavour, fragrance and colour. Green mangoes are often included in curries, relishes and soups, while ripe mangoes are eaten as they are or served with sticky rice and enjoyed as a dessert.